Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a good tips for you. If you want a fresh air with some nice smell on your car, just put some essential oil for your pollen filter. I will show you how to do it on my car. It's a Honda Civic 10th Gen. Look at that, pollen filter is just here. You just need to open this passenger case, pull it down, and if you have a look here, there is a pollen filter. You can just take it off easily. There is just two clips. Yeah. You take your pollen filter out. As you can see, it's not nice and clean. I need to change it, but it's still not bad. Put all of the dust out, and now you want the fresh air inside your car. Let's use some essential oil, put on the top. That should be enough. Smells nice. Smells nice. Put the pollen filter back. Just close. Just close. Put this, hook it back. Put the screws on the side. That's it. And all done. Now when you switch your air condition, all of the smell from the pollen filter will come out from the air. And that's it. Your car will be fresh air again. Click like and subscribe.